It's time for Show Off Sunday, where everyone has a chance to show off their own car, and here's this week's winner.
My name is Ron, and this is my 1985 GTSI Quattrovalvole Ferrari. I've owned this car for about 25 years. Ferrari made the 308 series of cars from 1975 to 1985. The 308 stands for 3 liters displacement with 8 cylinders. The engine features an aluminum block and heads. The 308s made between 1975 and 1980 utilized 16-valve V8 engines with 4 dual-throat Weber carburetors and dual mechanical ignitions. The early cars were made with fiberglass bodies for lightweight, and some even had dry sump engines. However, beginning in 1977, all 308 Ferraris were built with steel bodies. The 308 came in 2 versions, the GTB and the GTS. The B model cars are called Berlinettas and have a solid roof, while the S model is called a Spider and features a removable roof panel or a targa top. Most of the 308 models produced were of the S model variety. Starting in 1980, Ferrari switched the 308 from carburation to Bosch mechanical fuel injection with dual electronic ignitions. This made the car more reliable and required less maintenance. The switch from carburetors to fuel injection was required to meet tightening emission standards, and it cost the 308 a few horsepower. Beginning in 1983 through 1985, Ferrari upgraded the engine to a 32-valve V8 to regain those lost horsepower and performance. These 308s are called Quattrovalves for their 4-valve per cylinder design. At the end of the 1985 production run, Ferrari updated the car with a slightly larger engine and made other interior and exterior changes and called the car the 328. This car was produced through 1989, which marked the end of the 3 Series Ferrari production. Ferrari produced the 308 in a number of colors, but the vast majority were red. Many cars that were produced in other colors were actually repainted red by subsequent owners. Ferrari red is known as Rosa Corsa, which translates into racing red. The 308 Ferrari is best known from the 1980s TV series Magnum PI, which made Ferrari a household name. About 15 years ago, I decided to modify my 308 Quattrovalve with a turbocharger and a water-to-air intercooler, as well as a fully programmable Motec electronic engine management system. All of this to increase its performance. A stock 308 Quattrovalve is rated at 240 horsepower. However, with the upgraded engine, it now produces 509 horsepower at the rear wheels on a chassis dyno. This car can operate using super unleaded, leaded racing fuel, or E85 ethanol. And as Scotty likes to say, rev up your engines.
Well, that was this week's video, and remember, to have your car video highlighted here on my channel, check this out! So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell!